Welcome to my honest review of SharpSpring CRM, one of the leading platforms for marketing automation and customer relationship management. In this video, I'll provide a detailed look into the platform's features, usability, and overall performance to help you decide if it fits your needs. Starting with the interface, SharpSpring is designed with simplicity and efficiency in mind, offering a clean layout that makes it easy to navigate. From managing contacts to creating marketing campaigns, the platform provides a range of tools tailored for small to medium-sized businesses. One of the standout features of SharpSpring is its robust email marketing capabilities. You can create and automate email campaigns with ease, using customizable templates and powerful analytics to track performance. Additionally, the platform integrates seamlessly with a variety of third-party tools, ensuring you can connect it with your existing tech stack. The built-in social media management tool is another highlight, allowing you to schedule and monitor posts across multiple platforms from one centralized dashboard. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video to explore additional tools and insights that can complement your use of SharpSpring or other CRM platforms. SharpSpring also stands out for its dynamic form builder, which makes it easy to capture leads directly on your website. Paired with its advanced lead scoring and tracking, you can efficiently prioritize and engage with potential customers. The platform's analytics and reporting tools are also incredibly detailed, giving you actionable insights into your campaign's performance. Another key feature is its pricing model. Unlike some competitors, SharpSpring offers straightforward pricing without requiring long-term contracts, making it a flexible option for businesses of all sizes. However, it's worth noting that the platform's learning curve may be slightly steeper for beginners due to the wide range of features it offers. Overall, SharpSpring provides an excellent balance of features and value, making it a strong contender in the CRM and marketing automation space. Whether you're a small business owner or a marketing professional, it's definitely worth exploring. If you found this review helpful, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews and tutorials on the best business tools out there. Your support helps us bring you the most useful and up-to-date content. Thanks for watching.